Hello everyone, once again welcome to our YouTube channel Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Today we will discuss the Ph.D. admission procedure at National Forensic Science University. This video will be presented by me, Anushka Mukherjee, a member of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. So, without any delay, let's get started. Today, we will cover the following topics: modes of application, program, and documents needed during application. Modes of application. The registration for the admission procedure will be in the form of online. You will have to visit the official website of National Forensic Science University, which is mentioned in the description box. The last date of application is 15th October 2022. Do register before the last date. Program: Engineering, Technology, Life Sciences, Behavioral Science, Clinical Psychology, Forensic Psychology, Law, Pharmacy, Cyber Security, Digital Forensics, Management, Forensic Accounting. Documents required during application. For application at National Forensic Science University, the first thing that you will require is a recent passport-size photograph and signature of yours in .jpg, .jpg and .png format only, of size not more than 300 kilobyte. The second thing that you will require is your graduation degree and master's degree. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. To know more about admissions in forensic science universities, go check it out our previous videos. The links are provided in the description box. To know about forensic science, scopes, careers and others, do check out our previous video. The link will be provided in our description box. To know more about forensic science, do subscribe our channel. Like, comment and share this video to all your friends. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye guys.